In this video, we will show you how to use the Expert Option Trading app. If you guys want to get started with the Expert Option, you can use the links down in the description. First, download the Expert Option app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your mobile device. Then open the app and sign up using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Make sure to create a strong password and complete the registration process. Now verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email. After that, deposit funds into your account using one of the available payment methods such as credit/debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallets. Here, select the asset you want to trade, such as currency pairs, commodities, or indices. You can use the provided tools and indicators to analyze market trends and make informed trading decisions. Decide on the amount you want to invest and the expiration time for your trade. Next, place your trade and wait for the outcome. Keep an eye on your open trades and adjust your strategy as needed. If your trade is successful, you can withdraw your profits using the available withdrawal methods. So that's how to use Expert Option Trading app. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with the Expert Option. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.